welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Fab Bag for April month. So this is the bag which I have received. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before unboxing, let me first tell you the price. Price for a monthly subscription is 599 rupees, but don't worry, I have a coupon code by which you can save 10%. The coupon code is RITU10 and you will be saving 10% on your 6-month and yearly subscription. I will be mentioning all the details, the buying link and everything in the description box, so you guys can check that. And now, for makeup selection, of course, you have makeup selection for this month as well. But makeup selection is available only for 3 months, 6 months, and for yearly subscribers, not for the 1 month subscriber. So if you want to choose makeup as per your choice, you have to take 3 months, 6 months, or a yearly subscription. Now, what all choices you have? You have different 17 makeup choices, which is amazing. You have all the products are from Sugar, so you have choice in between mascara, face primer, lip primer. Then you have almost all these shades of matte as hell crayons. Then you have some shades from Suede Secret lipstick. Then you have choices for, of course, eyeshadow palettes, 2 different shades of eyeshadow palettes. So you have in total 17 makeup products from Sugar. So I think that's amazing and I loved it. And of course, I will be showing you what I have selected for my makeup. Now, let's quickly start the video. First thing is this. This is the pouch for April month. You can just see the color combination and everything. It's nice. I like it. And of course, quality of Fab Bag bags are really nice. So yes, happy with this. And of course, useful bag. Now, I have some cards here. So let's start with this one. This one says renewal offer, 10% coupon code. Then the next one is the info card. I'll come back to this later on. Then this is the contest card. It says click a picture of your April Fab Bag and then tag Fab Bag and you can win a lipstick from City Color Me Matte Lipstick. I will be mentioning detail in the description box. Now, I have one more card. This is for 15% off on your first transaction on www.organicharvest.in. Now I'm left with the last one, and last one is this. This is the info card. The theme for this month is the spring thing for April Fab Bag. And now let's start with the first product. The first product is your makeup product. So I have chosen the primer. This is the one. Of course, it's a full-size product from Sugar. All the products are from Sugar. And this is the Base of Glory Pore Minimizer Primer. $7.99 is the price. And primer is a must have if you are into makeup or if you love makeup. So that's why I've chosen this. And of course, Sugar is a really good brand. So yes, I love it. The packing, you can just see Sugar packing is always nice. Matte black is the color. So yes, really happy. And of course, as I said, very useful product. And if you actually don't want this, you can choose any other product, which is amazing. So I love the idea of makeup selection here. So of course, the favorite product in the box is this. Now, moving on to the next one. Next one is from Inara, and this is the Cosmo Beauty Nail Paint. The full-size product price for this one is 450 rupees. This is the outer packing. Let me just open it and show you the shade. Wow, so it's a really beautiful red, and today I'm wearing red, so yes, happy with this. Though I'm not a big fan of red, I'm a bit of a pinky girl, but yeah, red is again a beautiful and of course useful shade, I would say. 450 is the price. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is from Organic Harvest. This is the Diamond Shine Glow Facial Kit. Full-size product, $295 is the price. I have already used some of the products from Organic Harvest, and this is a really good brand. They have actually pure organic products, which is actually nice because yes, it's good for your skin. And right now, lots of pollution is there, lots of like harmful products are there. This is pure organic product. What more you can ask? So yes, that's why I'm really happy with this one. I would say the second best product in the box is this because the brand is nice and it's a facial kit, 30 minutes makeover facial kit, Diamond Shine and Glow. Brand is amazing and it's organic. That's the best part. So just happy with this. Now, moving on to the next one. The next one is from Chronocare, and this is again one of my actually not very favorite, but it's a good product. I have used it like many times. I've like finished 4-5 bottles of this for sure. This is from Chronocare, Pollution Stop Hair, leaves on protecting screen against pollution for your hair for all skin type. For all hair type, not skin type. Okay. And this product is free from sulfate, mineral oil, paraben, and fragrance and silicone. 30 ml is the quantity. The price for this one is, I think, $3.95. Yeah, $3.95 is the price. Very useful, as in you can just keep this in your handbag, and it comes with the spray thing, so you can just spray it all over your hair. So a good and cute product. Now I'm left with the last product, which is a bonus product. This is from Global Beauty Secret. This is the Turkish Day Cream. This has watermelon and argan oil, so I'm quite sure the fragrance of this is going to be really nice. And I'm looking forward for this because I've used some products from Global Beauty Secret and they were quite nice. So yes, I'm surely going to try this one. And this is the last product in the box. Now the total worth of all the product is 1900 plus. So I think overall it's a good box. And if you ask me, I love the makeup selection product, which is primer in my case. And you have 17 different options to select, which is a nice thing, I guess. Then the Organic Harvest facial kit is nice because that's organic. I love organic products, so yes, I love that. Then the Chronocare spray is nice, hairspray is nice, and I have personally used it. I liked it, and that's why I'm happy. I know I will be using it. And if you guys also like this month's box, what you can do is you can place your order. And if you ask me, I would suggest go for longer subscription like 6 month and a yearly subscription, because in that case you can use my code, which is Ritu10, and you will get makeup selections as well. So yeah, that's all about Fab Bag. But before ending the video, let me just remind you about my giveaway, guys. Yesterday I've announced my giveaway. I will be mentioning the link in the description box. So go ahead, check the video, and of course participate and show me some love. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.